Alright, on 19, now this is a tricky one. Remember that when you have parentheses squared, you need to rewrite that. Then you can only multiply two things together at a time. So I'll multiply these two first. 4x squared minus 4x. Then I'm going to multiply that by x minus 1. So I distribute 4x squared times x is 4x cubed. You add your exponents. 4x squared times negative 1 is negative 4x squared. Negative 4x times x is negative 4x squared. And negative 4x times negative 1 is positive 4x. Combine these like terms, and we get negative 8x squared. So 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 4x. Alright, on 20, when it has it written this way, that means both of these things are being divided by 2x squared. So that's the same as 6x squared divided by 2x squared minus 2x squared divided by 2x squared. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Subtract your exponents when you divide and you get x to the 6th. Minus here, anything divided by itself is 1. So this will be A. 21, what is the area of a triangle? Really, the best thing I think to do is to plot this out. So we have negative 4, 0, negative 10, 0, negative 7, negative 6. Now when you find the area of a triangle, 1/2 the base times the height, and this is like an upside down triangle. So here's the base. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And the height is straight up and down, so that is 6 units for the height. So 1/2 6 times 6 is going to give us 18. 22, we are solving for x. So we want to get this x by itself. So we subtract 8y. It's a little bit opposite of what we've been doing in Algebra 2. Then we divide everything by 9. So we get x equals 8/9 y plus 4. Should give me this one. Alright, on 23, which fraction is the largest? Change them to decimal. So this one's 0.5. 13 over 30 is 0.43 repeating. 8 over 15 is 0.53 repeating. 7 over 15 is 0.46 repeating. And 17 over 30 is 0.56 repeating. So the largest decimal is going to be this one, so this would be the largest fraction. 24, we solve for x. I like to keep my x on the left side when I'm doing an inequality, so I subtract 8x. I get negative 6x plus 4 is greater than negative 8. Subtract 4. Divide by a negative. When you divide by a negative with an inequality, you have to switch your signs, so you get x is less than 2.